Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today topic is letter and application. Let's read it in detail. Letter application to the General Manager Sui Gas about the installation of gas in your colony. Examination Hall, City ABC, July 6, 2023. The General Manager Sui Gas Department, Faisalabad. Subject: Installation of Sui Gas. We, the resident of Civil Lines, want to bring to your kind notice that we are being deprived of sui gas for the last many years. Most of the people of our colony are poor. They are salaried person or people. They cannot afford to use coal or kerosene oil within their limited sources of income. It is a thickly polluted area. If sewage gas connections are given to every house, it will fetch great revenue to the company. Moreover, the main sewage gas pipeline is passing through the main bazaar of our colony. The company will not have to incur any extra expenditure on laying out the pipes. The residents of the colony are also willing to pay half of the expenditure to the company. It is requested that the connections may be given to the residents as soon as possible. Yours sincerely, XYZ.